What is going on, everybody? Today we are just going to take a quick look at the new Demko Armiger 4. Let's get to it. Here's your box. Demko Knives, Armiger 4, of course Tanto. Let's get the sucker open, see what we got going on. This is a great, I think a good little fixed blade option. Okay, pretty compact, nice hard plastic sheath. Got some good retention. A little bit of oil on there. Okay, Demko EDC RB2 Taiwan. Okay, let's get some of that oil off of there. Yeah, this is a nice little fixed blade. It's got a rubberized handle, which has a very solid feeling to it. It's not a soft rubber at all. It is a very hard rubber. There's no flexibility to it at all. Nice thick blade. Yeah, nice edge. And it's a little bit over 4 inches. I think it's 4 1/8. It's just a quick little comparison to the Bradford 3.5 inch. And what else we got there? Yeah, what's this? This is pretty small, but the cold steel Galto 1. Yeah, this is the extremer ratio, which is, you know, quite different. So as you can see, kind of blade wise, it's got a very traditional blade to it, where some of these others have a very kind of off the wall blade. But yeah, very nice. Sheath makes it a little on the bulky side. Kind of wish they had, a lot of sheath makers, I wish it would make them a little more compact, like actually cut it off here. And like I said, the retention's pretty good. I mean, you really kind of almost don't need the strap, but you could also put the strap or a lock down here too, something to kind of flip over there, and that would help prevent it from coming out. But as you can see, it's kind of a very textured steel blade. But yeah, definitely, I think for nice compact EDC style abuse knife, I mean, at $74 I think is what it's kind of going for right now. It really has a good feeling, you know, and you have a, like I said, a pretty EDC friendly size to it all in all. Like the sheath kind of makes it feel a little bit longer, and obviously if it's on your belt, it's gonna show quite a bit. But it's kind of small for a camp knife. But he does also make the free rein or free rider, whichever, which is actually a longer blade. So that one would be more. I might have to get that one too and check it out. That would be more camp style, but for the kind of EDC aspect is what I like to try to find. Just some of these nice knives to really be EDC friendly. Fixed blades can be kind of tricky, again, when you start getting into a lot of bulkiness and a lot of flash. I like really to be discreet, more kind of in pockets. So something like this, although I like it, I would probably make a leather sheath to kind of slide inside my pocket and really kind of conceal it more, so it's not so flashy as far as being in public. You know, camping or something like that, this sheath would be fine. But yeah, there you guys go. That's just a quick look at the Armiger 4. See if I like it. I may carry it with this. I don't know. We'll see how it feels when I put it on. But there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.